Doing, everybody? Friday, December 6th. Weather's getting better. We've had a lot of snow the last couple days around town, South Bend. Yep. Talking high tomorrow, about maybe 48 or in the 40s, and high 48 for Sunday. And Monday, 50 or more. Crazy weather though, but then it's supposed to get colder again next week. Winter's here though, fluctuating temperatures. So I'm making a nice little video here, so check it out, everybody. Check out the view. Snow time in South Indiana. Yep. Sure is. Make a little video here. Cold out though, It's close to 30 today, but it's windy out. Very windy. Sunny though. Yeah, sunny though, no doubt. Supposed to be a warmer weekend. Yeah. Yep. Sit back and relax, everybody. At least you're warm where you're at. I haven't done any shoveling this year yet. Today, or I'm not gonna do shoveling tomorrow. It's gonna melt. Did shovel the patio though for the dog, for Bandit. Band 3. Yep, our new boy, Band 3. Nice kid too, huh? Well, let's check the back, everybody? Don't cost you a stinking penny to watch my YouTubes, and yeah, and I don't make no money off it either. Beautiful American flag flying. Fix our fence there, We tie it up. I retied to that fence there with some wire. Yeah. Pretty out though. Pretty white snow, Sunny sky, blue sky. Trans Am's all put away under a new cover.
The Bluegate Theater proudly welcomes Brett Young to the Bluegate Performing Arts Center. You had my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know. The perfect way to spend Valentine's weekend. Come see Brett Young Saturday, February 15th at the Bluegate Performing Arts Center.
Don't fall out of here. Kid likes the snow too, The new snow bunny of the household. Say it don't cost you a stinking penny to watch this entertainment. If you put down a like for me, give me a comment, throw it my way, I'll appreciate it. Surely appreciate it. I made a video for quite a while since I drove my Trans Am a couple times there. Yeah. Bill's house behind the house there. He's a United States Marshal. He lives on the state line, Indiana, Michigan state line. Where he lives, that's the Indiana side. Their neighbors probably 19, 20 years here, Bill. Yeah. Go do some shopping today, and I get home and stay inside, watch some sports. Joe and Rory. Country music. Moon's up that way towards the antenna tower.
Are you ready to elevate your business to new heights? Look no further than Federated Digital Solutions.
Well,
At
everybody,
Federated Digital Solutions, we're
take care.
always
Enjoy
ready
your
for
weekend.
your
Stay safe.
branding,
Be good to
lead
each other. Treat people like you want to be treated with respect and dignity.
just for you. Why settle
And remember, this isn't Russia. This is America.
Visit us online or text FDS to 453.
We're a democracy. I hope we stay a democracy. But anyway, maybe get a song playing here before I shut off the video. Bears play again Sunday. Hope they win. Thank God they got rid of their coach. They fired their coach, Chicago Bears. He really stunk it, huh? So maybe they win a couple more games before the season ends here. Every game they've been in every game towards the end. They lose by a couple points only, the last 4 games or so. So hopefully things will be going up for the Chicago Bears. DePaul plays Tuesday against Providence, Big East. First Big East game for DePaul. They're doing good. They're 7-1. Second in the Big East, standing-wise. Okay, guys, take care now. Yeah, I'll go around the corner here real quick. Kind of cold out here. I don't want to be out here too long. Take care, guys. Till the next video. Stay warm. Have a good one now. We'll see ya. Bye.